Yeah, okay. So I was playing this game with black pieces, and the opponent just made this move where he took my knight with his pawn. And though I won the game eventually, the analysis showed that there was a forced checkmate here, which I failed to see. So I want you to pause the video for a few seconds and see if you can find out that forced checkmate. Okay, I'm gonna wait for a few seconds. Pause the video and think about it and find the next moves that would lead to black eventually winning the game. Okay, so I am going to give you the answer. You move your rook and check the king. Obviously, the king cannot move here or here, and he cannot kill the rook, and his only move would be here. And now you move the rook one step to the right so that there's a discover check. And again, the king has no other move except this particular square here. Now you bring in the other rook and it's a check again, and the white has no other option but to block the check with his queen, and you take the queen, and he takes your rook with his pawn. Now move into check with the other rook, and again he cannot kill the rook because it is supported by the bishop, and so he has to move to the only other square here, because this black square is again checked by the rook. And now what you do, because the danger of the white queen is gone, you move to give a discover check. At the same time you take his bishop, and now he has no other way except to block the check with a rook, and you take the rook and the game is over.